Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the new feature launched inside the Iconic section app called conversion blocks. These are the Shopify blocks that can be added from this app directly to the Shopify pages. It's a conversion optimized elements that can improve your conversion rate. There is no coding required. You can directly use them into Shopify Theme Editor. So to use this, you just have to click on like add block and it will open up your theme editor and add that block to your product page. So as you can see, this blocks is here. You can reorder and move it where you want. You can define what needs to be displayed here. So here are all the settings and you can easily change the colors and text. Here are all the different text. You can link with metafield as well, so it will be dynamic for different products. These conversion blocks help you putting the right information at the right spot so you can improve your conversion rate drastically. Now, these blocks are available into our Pro plan, which comes with all the paid sections and blocks. Right now, there are only few blocks, but we are constantly working on this, and within the few weeks, you will have a lot more blocks available inside our app. So thanks for watching, and let us know if you need any other help. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Thank you.